Welcome to another episode of your Saturday Jewellery Rendezvous. This week I want to share with you some beautiful stone-inspired gemstones with rich golden colors and incredible sparkle. It's now mid-August and it's considered to be that peak time of summer light before the light starts to change and we start to feel autumn coming. That's why I want to give you an opportunity to carry a ray of sunshine with you all year round with a selection of fabulous gemstones. First one, it's a slice. It has that beautiful two-tone color. The center part is slightly snowy but has a lot of light coming through, and then you have the deep yellow band color going all around it that creates a fabulous complement to the cold white. This is a stone for collectors more than set as a piece of jewelry, because you wouldn't be able to appreciate the translucency of the stone in a setting. That's an agate, totally natural. You can find this stone really easily. It comes in a variety of colors. Nevertheless, it has a lot of charm in its simplicity, and that leads me to the next one I'm going to look at. Is one that's totally opaque but that has those incredible colors inside that shimmers in the light. If you move the stone around, you will see some flashes of golden colors and other colors inside that deep, rich, warm brown, and that's tiger's eye. It's also a widely available stone, but that hazelnutty color is really very attractive for that shimmer and that play of color depending on how the light shines on the stone. That kind of gem will give that little extra warmth to your outfit. Then I'm showing you a rutilated quartz with golden needles inside. It's one of my favorite stones. I'm showing you two different specimens of that crystal. One is pear-shaped and cabochon, and the other one is a round faceted stone. You can see the difference between the two and how that light again will enhance the beauty of those stones. Those golden needles inside, they are totally unique to each stone. Some will have plenty, some others will have just a few, and their placement inside the stone is totally natural. The gem cutter will make sure that the way that they cut the stone will enhance that natural beauty inside. Now moving on to another one that's not so much a gemstone than a fossilized natural resin. I'm again showing you two examples that are very different so that you can really appreciate the sheer variety under one particular gem, and that's amber. You get the butterscotch amber, that's the lighter one, and then you get also that deep cognac amber. You can appreciate the difference between butterscotch, where you cannot see virtually any light through, but you get all those lovely pale to richer, deeper yellows. It's a smooth bead that's free-formed, and then you have that deep cognac amber that's been faceted like a mineral, and you can totally see the light, and sometimes you even get little insects inside. I'm picking up another beauty. This is one where you get that chatoyance, that shimmering depending on the way you tilt the stone to the light. Chatoyance is that almost silk effect inside that stone. It's totally natural again. It's a sunstone. You understand why that stone's got the name. Such an incredible stone. You can have sunstones with a lot of chatoyance or with a lot less, but again, it's a very subtle way to add that warmth in any season. See on the finger, on the hand, how it looks quite irresistible. And then I'm picking up little candies, little sweets. They are totally delicious and juicy. I've got three of them, totally natural yet again, and with their own specific color. Shades of orange lemonade. That's fire opal for you. The vibrant, juicy, energetic. Then I'm showing you a fabulous citrine, deep in color. It's a faceted stone. Look at how it shines in the light as I'm playing with it, and on the hand, see how it changes from those bright yellow hues to much deeper, almost orangey tones now. And also yet again, citrines comes in an array of colors from deep to paler yellow. This is a smaller stone that's paler in color. It has a lot of charm in its own right too. Totally different but totally adorable, both of them. If you notice, I'm gradually taking you from lighter to darker. Now it's carnelian. Carnelian, again, it's a very widely available stone, but good quality carnelian where you have that translucency which make the stone come alive is rarer. And here you've got some nice examples. I'm showing you two different types of cuts so you can really appreciate how the light will change your perception of the color of the stone. They are extremely easy to wear. Add a pop of color, even if you are not somebody who wears much color. This is going to change your mind. This was a whirlwind tour of the sun-inspired gemstone that I currently have in stock, but I've also written a companion blog where I'm showing you 10 sun-inspired gemstones, those that you've seen plus a few extras, and I'm sharing a few tips how you can style them. Each stone has its personality, so you need to find your right match. Hope you've enjoyed this week's little insight. It's a great opportunity to show you how nature gives incredible gemstones that are not necessarily super rare and still have something that makes them really special. Now it's your turn to choose which sun-inspired gemstone you will want to wear. Is there any gemstone that resonates with you that you think that's exactly that kind of vibrancy or color or energy, personality that really feels it has my name on it? Tell me which one it is. Tell me if you would like a more in-depth session on some of those gems. Help me create the type of content that you would like to see. I love looking at gemstones and I hope you've enjoyed that little session as well. remember to head over to the website. I will link the blog down in the description. Enjoy the rest of the summer. Make the most of it. I'll see you next time for another Saturday Jewellery Rendezvous. Thank you for your time and joining me today. Bye for now.